Hello friends, this is Rajdeep. Welcome to Learning Insight for UGC NET JRF Paper 2 Social Work. Discuss करेंगे some important books and authors of social work. And remember, this book and authors, they commonly asked in every time in social work NET JRF exam. So from this video, you definitely will get one question in your NET JRF exam. If you have not seen my previous series, then please watch these videos. I have already uploaded. Okay, let's start. Okay, these are the list of the books and these are the list of the author. So I will read all the books and the author. uh, this video will very effective, and definitely will get one question. So you can watch the video before the exams, or you can do what we can do. You can write the books, name of the books and the author in your copy, so that before the exam you can revise it. Okay, first book, the casework relationship is written by Weistix. The supervision in education in charity. Supervision in education in charity is written by Tej Ray R. Brackets. Now, social welfare in India. Social welfare in India has written by Durgabai Deshmukh. Durgabai Deshmukh has written the social welfare in India. Working with communities. The book has written by H.Y. Siddiqui. The field of social work. This book was written by Arthur Fink. Fink has written this book, that field of social work. Essay on principles on populations. This book was written by Robert Malthus. Mind, Self and Society was written by G.H. Mead. G.H. Mead has written the Mind, Self and Society. The next, Social Disorganization. It was written by C.H. Coley. So C.H. Coley has written Social Disorganization. Poor and Their Money. The book has written Rutherford. Rutherford has written the book that is Poor and Their Money. The Little Community. The Little Community has written Robert Redfield. Robert Redfield has written The Poor Community. Oh, sorry, not Poor Community. The Little Community. Our Common Future. Our Common Future book was written by Bartland. Bartland has written Our Future, Our Common Future. Why Survive Being Old in America. This book was written by Butler Aaron. Butler Aaron has written Why Survive Being Old in America. Two treatises on civil government. On social civil government was written by John Locke. John Locke has written. Poverty in India is written by Dandekar BM. Dandekar BM has written Poverty in India. I Am Okay, You Are Okay is a very interesting book, and this was written by Thomas Anthar Harris. Thomas Anthar Harris has written the book I Am Okay, You Are Okay. Now the Trauma of Birth. The book was written by Otto Rank. Otto Rank has written the book Trauma of Birth in 1929. Now next book, The Changing Psychology in Social Casework. The Changing Psychology in Social Casework was written by Virginia Robinson. So V. Robinson has written the book that is called Changing Psychology in Social Casework. Pedagogy of Oppressed, Culture of Silence. The book was written by Paul Ferris. Paul Ferris has written the book that is called Psychology of Oppressed, the Culture of Silence. Remember this, there are many books and author I found that they are repeated in your exam, and it can be sure that you will get one question at least from this video for your NET-JRF exam, because these are the books they are repeating in your exam. Introduction to Social Casework, that is Grace Methu. Grace Methu has written the book that is Introduction to Social Casework. Social and Cultural Dynamic. Social Cultural Dynamic was written by Sorkin. Sorkin has written Social and Cultural Dynamics. Human Society. Human Society, this book was written by K. Davis. Paper on Social Work was written by G.R. Banerjee. You can see, if you have seen my earliest video, then definitely you will find this G.R. Banerjee has written the paper on Social Work. This question was asked. Now, Some Aspects of Social Development was written by M.S. Gori. M.S. Gori has written the book that is called Some Aspects of Social Development. Now next, Towards a Philosophy of Social Work in India. Towards a Philosophy of Social Work in India. That book was written by Swagata Dasgupta. Swagata Dasgupta has written the book that is called Towards a Philosophy of Social Work in India. Ideologies in Social Work, that was written by Murli Desai. Then Pattern of Culture. Pattern of Culture was written by Ruth Benedict. Benedict has written the book that is called Pattern of Culture. Social Group of Practice and Principles was written by H.B. Taker, and Social Work with Group of Practice was written by Wilson G. and Arlen G. So if they ask these two, then there will be very confusion with this author. So remember one thing: when they ask the principles and practice, you go for Trackers. But if they ask only practice, then you go for Wilson G. Ryland G. Only in case of only practice, but principles and practice you go for Trackers. Social Group Work. Social Group Work is written by H.H. Perlman. Remember, he has given the 4P, that is person with a problem come to a place under a process. So 4P has given. Now, Introduction to Social Casework was written by Grace Mithu. Grace Mithu has written the book that is called Introduction to Social Casework. Theory and Practice of Social Casework was written by Gordon Hamilton. Gordon Hamilton has written the book that is called Theory and Practice of Social Casework. Social casework, the psychosocial therapy, that was written by F. Hollis. F. Hollis has written the book that is called Social Casework, not social case, only casework. Casework, that is psychosocial therapy, and this book was written by F. Hollis. Now, the Indian Society from Where to Where, this book was written by Yangeshwar Atal. Yangeshwar Atal has written Indian Society from Where to Where. Fieldwork in Social Work Education, this book was written by R.R. Singh. The Concept and Method of Social Work was written by Friedland W.A. Social Diagnosis, From Charity to Social Work, What is Social Casework? Remember, these three books has written by Mary Richmond. So Social Diagnosis, From Charity to Social Work, and What is Social Casework? These three has the same author, that is Mary Richmond. Problems are Unmet Need. That book was given by Perlman. Perlman again has given one book on social group work, and here he has given the book that is Problems are Unmet. The Social Legislation in India was written by K.D. Gangrate, and he has also written the book that is Dimension of Social Work. So he has given the two books, that is Legislation, Social Legislation in India, and Dimension of Social Work in India. That is K.D. Gangrate. Remember, these are very popular book, and that's why they ask in your exam, and that's why I have made video on this topic, books and authors. Now, Cognitive Social Work, that is Robert Sunske. Radical Social Work, that is Wiley. That is written by Wiley. And the Medical Social Work, that is written Goldsteins. Existential Social Work, that is written by Donald F. Krill. They have written the Existential Social Work. Social Casework is written by N.H. Polonsky. N.H. Polonsky has written the book that is Social Casework. The Radical Social Work is written by Paul Alensky. Paul Alensky has written the Radical Social Work. So there is a difference. Radical Social, the Radical Social Work and only Radical Social Work. So remember, there is a difference. You have to find it out during exam also, if they ask in your exam. The Social Work Philosophy, that is written by Herbert Wisno. Wisno has written the Social Work Philosophy. Integrated Social Work Practice, this book was written by S.B. Desai. Ruth T. Parsons. Ruth T. Parsons has written, there's a oblique. Okay, so Integrated Social Work Practice. Introduction to Social Work was written by Skidmore and Tricary. Tricary has written the Introduction to Social Work. Now, Social Work and Integrated Approach. Social Work and Integrated Approach. This book was written by Sanjay Bhattacharya. And the Theory of Social Work Practice, that is in 1960, that is written by Ruth Smelly. Ruth Smelly has written this book that is called Theory for Social Work Practice. Social Casework, a problem solving process. This was written by Lydia Rapport. Lydia Rapport has written the book that is called Social Casework, a problem solving process. Group Work in India, this was written by S.K. Kinduka. S.K. Kinduka has written the book that is called Social Work in India. Community Organization, Theory, Principles and Practice. This was written by M.G. Ross, that is Murari G. Ross. And Community Welfare Organization, Principles and Practice. This was written by Arthur Dunham. Remember, there is very confusion, but you can only identify if they ask only community organization, then you go for Murali GROS, MGROS. And if they ask community welfare organization, welfare term, then you go for author Dunham. Only the difference is here, but in case of this one there is not much difference, but theory, again theory is there. So you just identify income between the community organization. If there is a welfare, then you go for Author Durham. Gandhian approach to development and social work. This book was written by K.D. Gangrade. Okay, and this history, philosophy, and field of social work in India is written. This book was written by A.K. Wadia. A.K. Wadia has written the book that is called History, Philosophy, Field of Social Work in India. Now, the practice of social research, social work perspectives. This book was written by D.K. Laldas, and most social work students read this book also. D.K. Laldas. There is practice of social research, social work perspectives. Okay. Hopefully आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. If yes, then please do like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you can get my next video immediately after uploading. And here you can join my Telegram channel. That is link is here. You can also join our Google Classroom for complete study material for social work NET-JRF paper 2. Please like our Facebook page. Yes, मिलते हैं next video पे with some important materials for social work. And till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.